Did you wash your ass today?
Tomorrow is gonna be an intense day because I have Michael B. Jordan's workout, and this time I'm actually planning on completing the full thing. Today I'm just preparing myself mentally and physically for tomorrow because I know it's gonna be intense. I structured the workouts kind of like how I originally structured Chris Pratt's workout. You know, like it had one of everything at least. You know, one of every body part and all that. Obviously in that last video it didn't go like that. And you know, I just want to prepare myself the way I know I can prepare myself. The day that I did that workout, the Chris Pratt workout, I was fasting. So that may have contributed to, you know, all the bullshit. At least today I'm not gonna fast completely because I have these graham crackers. So, hey, a win's a win.
Stop it. Get some help.
Shit good. Shit good.
A few moments later.
I have to feed the boys first, so let me do that really quick then. You know, just pause.
What is going on here?
Today we're just chilling, honestly, just trying to get the blood moving, flowing. Right now we're just gonna punch the punching bag, maybe hit the tire a few times with the hammer. I want to squat some, not much, because in tomorrow's programming there's squats. Welcome back to Louie's Kitchen. I'm your host, Christina. Today we are making burgers. I personally am not the biggest fan of red meat, but you know, the struggle is real around here, so like I really don't have much of a choice. I have to use vegetable oil, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Anyways, I have to use vegetable oil because we're running low on olive oil, so just throw some in there. I'm just gonna mix this up in this little baggie. I don't think this is the smartest way to do this, but we'll see. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just winging it at this point. Ah, fuck, I broke it. I was hoping this wouldn't happen. Fuck. This is... Fuck. Okay, I got a plan. So now, I'm just gonna break it all up. This doesn't feel nice. My wife is. Hello! Hello! No, it didn't fall apart.
Is that my burger? Hey, we're not supposed to season them. We're not season.
They are?
Yes.
Well, that one tasted good as fuck. It tastes good, right? You can't lie, babe. You can't lie. It tastes A1. Look, wait, watch. That's fucking sexy. That's sexy.
That is sexy.
Right, babe?
You're saying red meat is sexy? Who'd you replace my baby with?
Michael Jackson.
I didn't think I had to get this
Wait, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
I didn't think it's just like a different brain path we're on sometimes.
Boom. Sexy thing. Right, babe? Why would you say that? So fucked up.
That's what it looks like, baby!
Gelatinous goo? Apparently there's some shit called the Secret Covenant, and it's some crazy ass shit. It literally states,
will focus their attention towards money and material goods so that they may never connect with their inner self.
I heard that shit earlier and I was like, wow, that could be true. It really could be true. You guys tell me what you think in the comments, because I mean, so I believe it, but like, you know, I'm a skeptic, so like I believe a little bit of everything, but I also need proof. I have to go to sleep. It's almost 1 a.m. I know that may not seem like it's that late and all that, but to me it is. You already know, my whole goal here is to motivate and inspire you guys to get up and go after your dreams. And if that aligns with you, please like, comment something you need advice on, or comment something you want to see from me. Could be food. I like food.
One eternity later.
I have to get a new phone because this one keeps getting full with storage and all that. But anyways, as I was saying, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, smack around that little bell notification, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out.